don't know about you, but I'm feeling like a burger. Kind of craving that right now. Want to make one? Let's up the stakes a little bit. It is super easy to make a burger taste good. But what if you're making a burger that is vegan, gluten-free, grain-free, nightshade-free, legume-free, lectin-free? Did I say all the frees? It is free, 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 free. And you're probably thinking that's not gonna be any good. I actually pulled some ingredients and I think you'll be very surprised. And I'm also gonna walk you through the nutritional benefit of each ingredient we're using, because on this channel, we eat intentionally. And we wanna reap the most benefit from our food so that we can live optimally. Also, it's one of the easiest recipes to make, and it is clean and so tasty and very filling. So it makes it very easy if you're looking to introduce a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, or if you just want to eat more vegetables in your diet, you can sneak it in here and there. It is a surprise how wonderful this is. I'm getting really hungry just thinking about it, so let's get cooking. Even the dogs are chiming in. It's good. Give it a whirl. It's worth it. Oh, see, my sister grabbing a bite. This is a good sign, right? Juicy. What do you think?
Wow.
See? Did you hear that? Wow, delish. She doesn't eat plant-based. Not a lot, that's for sure. Told ya. Gotta try this one on for size. It's so good. My sister doesn't want to be on camera, but she keeps saying wow. That's good. So, it could be a little messy. That's why I recommend cutting it in half. We're gonna film right now. What's in it?
What's in this?
It's portobello mushroom, sauerkraut, avocado. I made like a garlic mayo, but I roasted the garlics. And then collard green wrapped. Is that all I put in? I think that's all I put in.
So good.
I'm glad.
Let us know what you think. Come here.
Come on this way. Come over here. Oh.
What do you think?
Well, can you do that in front of the camera? He's giving us a thumbs up.
Is it one or two?
Oh, whatever you want.
Get in there.
Look at the camera.
Is it one thumbs up or two? Get in there.
He's shy. Look, 2 thumbs up from my nephew. Vegan. Lectin-free. That's what I'm saying. I'm Christy Powers, your holistic health coach, helping you activate optimal health naturally. If you want more healthy recipes, lectin-free, gluten-free, grain-free, sometimes plant-based, you're at the right place. Go ahead, hit subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think, and give this recipe a try. See you soon.